Oh shit, these two birds fighting, G!
We gotta take a sneak home first. Yeah.
I will walk over there, but they will beat my ass. And then he done got up and dipped. And it's come too close.
Man, it's like a jungle out here, dude. We got lions.
Yeah, he scraped his face right there, G. I should. What happened if I went over there and they just came back over there fucking with me? Fucker, you.
Oh, damn, fuck you.
Look at that motherfucking bird over there, G. He want me to shake and move and shit.
Yeah.
Fuck you too.
The good